Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video is super exciting. It's going to be a transitioning to fall vlog. I've been loving watching these on YouTube. I've been watching them like crazy, especially Gabby Shay's. Hers have been like right up my vibe, and I was like, you know what? I want to do that too. I want to get like y'all. I'm a few days late to the party, but that does not matter. I'm still going to be doing a little fall day, and I'm actually at home now, so I'm super excited because there's like just a lot more here shopping wise and things like that. So my plan, I made a whole game plan. I am first going to go to Starbucks. I need to do a lot of work. I'm going to do some framework for some client things. I'm finally taking my one-on-one coaching business to the next level, taking it more seriously this month. So I have some really big goals this month to achieve before next month, and then I'm going to do like a real launch and everything. So I'm super nervous, super excited for that, but I want to just start to build framework behind the scenes every single day, get a little bit done. So that's what I'm going to do at Starbucks. And then I also have to do just some normal client stuff and just catch up on emails, brand deal stuff, editing, all that jazz. Then after that, I decided my treat is going to be to go around and do some fall festive things. Just, you know, browse the fall sections at Target, Five Below, do that kind of thing. I'm super excited just to like look around, even if I don't buy a bunch of stuff. I have a bunch that I do just need to buy from Target, so that's kind of why I'm going there. And then I really want to bake these pumpkin cookies that I made last year. I think I made them 3 times in the fall last year. My roommate and I were obsessed during finals and stuff. We would always make them, so I want to make them again this year. Watch some Gilmore Girls, Hot Girl Walk It, just be super productive today, but in like a fun way and a festive way. So I'm just gonna take you guys along with me. I have like a little fall fit on, so I'm wearing this jacket. Is from the Honor Active limited edition collection. They don't have any more in this color, but they do still have copper, which is a favorite. I have that one coming in. And then I'm obsessed with these. They are wide leg trousers from Honor. Hopefully they restock these soon with it being fall. They're in the color Deep Taupe. And if you guys want to ever shop Honor, I have a support link down below that directly supports me. It means a lot to me and helps me so much with the brand. So let's just take you guys along for my day. First stop is Starbucks. Hopefully it's not too busy inside. I've never studied here before, so hope this goes well. I just left Starbucks and now I'm going to Target, aka the place I've been wanting to go all day. I got a lot done at Starbucks. I did 2 supplemental documents for my programming stuff that I'm doing, and then I got a YouTube video uploaded, and it's just doing the upload process. I still need to complete the thumbnail for that and everything else, but I'm just glad I got that kind of finished and uploaded. And I also literally ran into Teresa. I'll put her ad on the screen. She owns a gym local to my area since I'm at home right now, and it was just so nice to catch up with her. She is just one of those people, I feel like there are just people in this world who you talk to them and they just feel so genuine and kind, and they're just easy to talk to, and she's that kind of person. So it was so nice to catch up with her, hear how she's doing, hear how I was doing, and she invited me to one of her boot camp classes. I'm finally going on Friday, so I'm super excited to go to that. I'm nervous because I'm not a hit baddie. I'm more of like a weighted, take a break in the middle. So it's gonna be a challenge, but I feel like I need a challenge and some spice in my workout routine, so I'm super excited for that. But yeah, I got a bunch done, and it was just nice to sit down and handle some things, because I feel like sometimes in the mornings at home I'm just waiting to go to the gym almost, and so I don't get anything productive done. So since I'm not going to the gym today, I wanted to really make sure I was super productive today to kind of make up for that on the other days. But now it's fun time, so I'm gonna go into Target. My boyfriend and I were actually going to a cabin for Halloween. Not a cabin, but like a stay away for Halloween, which I'm super excited about. And we're gonna do like a full Halloween cute thing. So we're gonna do spooky baskets. We're not like partiers, we don't really go out or anything, so that's why this is so fun. So I'm gonna maybe look and see if they have anything to start off his spooky basket, because I literally love that shit. And then I think I'm gonna go to Five Below because my mom wants these little squishmallows, and then I'll see if there's anything else in the mall I feel like getting. But those are my 2 main stops. I'm excited. Let's go into Target. Let's see what we find. The woman who was checking me out at Knowles told me that I look like Olivia Rodrigo, and I literally for a second, like, I was in shock. I was like, me? And then I was like, I've never gotten that one before. She's like, you should totally embrace it. I'm like, I'm gonna embrace it. She's a baddie. That was just really nice. I wanted to give you guys a haul of everything that I freaking got. I went a little wild at Target. I can't lie, I did a little too much. From Knowles, I didn't buy a lot. I just got these 2 little baby pumpkins because I'm going to the pumpkin patch with my friends already, and I'll probably go with my boyfriend too, but I just thought these were cute, and I didn't want to leave with nothing because it's like a smaller produce place by my house that deserves, you know, the love. But I wanted to show you guys what I got from Target. I spent way too much money there, but a lot of the stuff was just stuff that I kind of needed, so I'll just run through it, honestly. First, I've been wanting Crest white strips for so long because my roommate Amanda has been doing them and her teeth look so good, and she was like, yeah, like they're so worth it or whatever. And I have Target Circle, and so I always go down Target Circle and look at like what the deals of the week or whatever are, and there was $5 off of these, and these are expensive, so I was like, let me get them while they're on a little sale. So I'll keep you guys posted if I use those. I always say I'm gonna do things and then I don't. I ran out of floss picks, so I just got some more. These, okay, I never understood the power of pimple patches until I had these fucking beasts here before I went to LA and before I went to London. I wore these every single night, and like I couldn't believe how fast they got my pimples to go away. I was using a different brand. I was using Peace Out, I believe it was something like that. I got it from Sephora. These ones, there's 12 for $7, so it was a little bit better price. And I think there was a deal for Target Circle, so I just got a little bit more. Then I got this CeraVe lotion. I have like pretty sensitive skin. My doctor told me I had eczema recently, like last year. So I've been trying to take better care of my body and my skin. I definitely don't do enough. So I got this because I was seeing on TikTok that this was better for post shaving. And I also got this, which, oop, I lost it. It's called Hibiclens Antiseptic Skin Cleanser. So it's like does a better job of cleaning, and I read that that's good for your armpit areas because I had to switch when they told me I had eczema. I got like really bad reactions to the deodorant that I was using, so I just switched to all natural deodorant, which has been fine, but I just feel like with all natural deodorant it's just not as strong, if that makes sense. I don't know how to explain it. So I got this. We'll see how this works for me. If it does, I'll keep you guys posted. I got a loofah because I wanted a new one for a new month, and I ran out of my favorite scrub in the whole wide world. My friend gave me this for my birthday last year, and I've been using it ever since. It's the Tree Hut Sugar Scrub. Love this. And then I was out of Biscoff cookie butter, so I got some. Oh, so fucking good inside of oatmeal. I don't have any more oats either, so I got some instant oats. I like the instant. I don't know why. I just like that they're like cut smaller. I don't know. That's me being picky, but you know. And then they had these cute ass plates, you guys. I could not pass it up. Hey, boo. Are you kidding? And then this pumpkin one. These were $3 each, and I'm making pumpkin cookies later, so I was like, these would be so fun to put the cookies on top of. And then I got some stuff for my boyfriend's spooky basket. Hopefully he doesn't watch this. I honestly don't think he will. So I just got a cute little basket, and then he loves some Dove. So I got him 2 things of Dove. Still got to figure out what else I want to put in it, but those were like easy things to grab. And then I got these little trick or treat bags because I definitely will make some cookies or some goodies and want to put them inside of these. And then this was it was just my most unnecessary purchase, but I thought it was just so cute. It's like a little skull candle, and it just smelled really good. It was the last one. It's in the scent Ghoulish Gourd, but it's giving so fall, and I just really liked it. And I was like, I'll let myself get one thing that's unnecessary, but it definitely put a little hole in my pockets for sure. So I'm gonna take a little break from shopping for unnecessary things. Hey you guys, I just received a package, so I figured I'd unbox it with you. I already know who it's from. So it's from my friend Kylie, who owns her own business. It's called Girls Lifting Club, and they have like different launches with little things. I showed you guys an unboxing, I think, in the past, so I'm super excited to open this with you guys. Megan, thank you so much for supporting my small biz. I hope you love everything. Super cute. She's always so cute with the stuff. Okay, slay. So she sent me the Girls Lifting Club shorts. Love the yellow, so cute. It says support your local gym girl. That is so stinking cute. I love like the little design. This is gonna be a big shirt for me to wear. I love it, and I think this would look really cute with my yellow shorts, so maybe I'll wear this to the gym tomorrow. But thank you, Kylie. So I changed into this because I'm gonna film a reel for the cookies, Double Trouble, and I felt like this was more festive. So I'm gonna get all the ingredients out for the cookies. I'm actually just gonna show you guys this right now. That way, if you guys wanna do this, the recipe's right here and I don't have to list it all out. But I'm gonna put all the ingredients together. Filming a reel for something makes it take double the time. So yeah, I'm gonna get all the ingredients ready and then I'll be filming the reel. So I'm not gonna film sideways. I'm gonna be filming up and down and then I'll just pop the reel in so you guys can see the process. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing for the next little bit with Gilmore Girls going on in the background. Hi vloggy vlog. I didn't really check in, but I made my cookies, watched Gilmore Girls. It was such a vibe. Those pumpkin cookies are so fucking addicting. I wouldn't even call them cookies. I like to call them muffin tops because I feel like they're like the top of a muffin with the moisture, and then it's giving like cupcake top, honestly, because it's like a sweet treat. It's so yummy though. It's so bad when I have that many in my possession, but I had to get in the festive spirit. But anyways, my mom and I went and we tried to go to Whole Foods because they had a collaboration with Hydro Flask and they had brown ones. Literally no collab at the one I went to. So that was kind of annoying, but that's okay. And then we just ended up eating pizza up there because we were like, let's not waste the trip. But I'm home now and it is 9:12. I actually have a client call in 2 minutes with one of my clients. Both of my clients that I have now have unique situations. So one's in another time zone and then this one is a mom. So we're doing our call later so that it's easier for her to focus on her call, and I try to just be super flexible with things. So yeah, I'm super excited to check in with her. It's actually our first check-in since starting coaching, so I'm excited to just touch base. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, and then after that I think I'll probably take a shower and maybe do some more work. I'm so productive at night. It's really weird, but yeah, I'm gonna send her the meeting link and I'll check back in with you guys if I do anything else of importance today.